Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how to use the Chrome browser's inbuilt Malware Scanner and Cleanup Tool. To take a closer look at the subject, be sure to check out our article in the description. To get started, in a Chrome browser, type in Chrome : settings / cleanup and hit enter. You can also go to the Chrome menu, go to Settings, click on Advanced Settings, and scroll to the very bottom and choose Cleanup Computer. Where it says Find Harmful Software, click on Find. When it is finished, Chrome will tell you if it finds anything that was harming your PC. You can then use the scanner to remove it. If Chrome finds malware, then you might want to consider using the reset option that is there. It will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine page. It also disables extensions and clears your temporary data. That might be an option you want to pursue. After the scan is done and any harmful items are removed, restart your system. For more helpful hacks to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our page where we are always adding new content to make you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.